So polymerase can be DNA polymerase or RNA polymerase. And when we talk about DNA polymerase, it can be template dependent or template independent. So all these telomerase, they come under template independent. And when we talk about template dependent, it can be template can be DNA, or RNA can also be act as a template. So when the template is DNA itself, it is called as DNA dependent DNA polymerase, and when the template is RNA, it is RNA dependent DNA polymerase, which is also called as reverse transcriptase. Then when we talk about RNA polymerase, it can also be template dependent and independent. Poly A polymerase, which is used for polyadenylation, it comes under template independent. And then template independent RNA polymerase. And while we talk about template dependent RNA polymerase, it can also use RNA as a template and also DNA as a template. Those which use RNA as a template are they are called as RNA dependent RNA polymerase, and these are found in certain viruses. Or And then when we talk about those RNA polymerase which uses DNA as a template, these are called as DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Example is your RNA polymerase or the primase enzyme. And when we talk about DNA polymerase, it is of five in prokaryotes. It is of five types, that is DNA pol 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So DNA pol 1 is also called as Kornberg enzyme because it was discovered by uh, Arthur Kornberg in the year 1956. And the unique thing about DNA pol 1 is it also has 5' to 3' exonuclease activity, which is your primer removal activity. And this activity is not found in eukaryotes. Then the pol 1 also does the polymerase activity 5' to 3', and proofreading activity 3' to 5'. Then like other polymerase like pol 2, 3, 4, and 5, they also perform this polymerase activity 5' to 3'. Then uh, the proofreading activity 3' to 5', it is done by polymerase 1, 2, and 3 only. 4 and 5 does not perform this activity. And when DNA polymerase 1, it is treated with protease substitution. The polymerase 1 is separated into two subunits. The larger fragment, which is called as clean fragment, and the smaller one. The smaller one contains the 5' to 3' exonuclease activity, primer removal activity. So it is lost. Like the is lost in the fragments, but the cleaner fragments still retains its 5' to 3' polymerase activity and 3' to 5' proofreading activity.